Hello. Let me explain what market requirements are in general and specifically the ones that apply to the version control and collaboration use case. So, as you all know, the use case is a customer problem or initiative, doesn't have to be negative, that is attached to it a dollar sign, a will to solve it, and it's defined in customer terms. In real life conversations with clients or prospects, talking about the version control and collaboration use case or any other use case, you don't get the full version of it. Not usually clients or prospects or anyone interested in this use case does not have the need for all of it, or at least they don't express it that way, right? So that's why we came up with the definition of market requirements. So those are the basic components of each one of the use cases. In the case of the version control and collaboration use case, you will find them listed here in a table that titles them in a very dull way. By the way, that's my those are my titles mostly, and they could be better. A description of what the market requirement is, the typical features in GitLab that serve that requirement, and the value obtained by the client by being served that market requirement. Beware, market requirements are sourced from the market. So GitLab might not be there yet. We might not be serving or solving all of the market requirements listed here, which is okay. Market requirements are sourced from analysts. We meet with plenty of analysts that tell us what the meetings with the rest of their clients are making them see what the requirements are. So analysts work for us as aggregators of the demand side of the market. They represent many potential clients and many potential prospects. We source them from competitors. We know that competitors let us know through public documentation what they consider market requirements and how they are serving them. We know this through meetings with clients, etc. So this is an outside-in exercise. So again, you might see that some market requirements have a very short list of features that serve them or solve them in GitLab, which is okay. We might not be there. We might not even never serve them. That doesn't mean that GitLab must go this way. So the 7 market requirements for version control and collaboration are protect and secure assets. So one of the main things that someone seeking for a version control and collaboration solution is to have their IP protected and secured. And by IP, I mean mainly source code, yes, but not only source code. It could be binaries, it could be images, it could be anything that is required to build the software they are delivering. It has to be enterprise ready, so it has to be solid, scalable at a global, continental scale, always available, or at least as available as possible with disaster recovery solutions, etc. It must support numerous assets, so it should be able to be an integrated solution. Again, not only source code and the workflows required for source code, at which, for example, GitLab excels, but actually design and the workflows to collaborate over designs, data and the workflows required to collaborate on data. It should foster collaboration, so it should be designed to minimize manual tasks when we're talking about notifications or stuff that should not require brain cycles, and it should be able to connect the different partners, the different roles, the different permissions in an orderly fashion to foster collaboration, approvals, etc., etc. Cooperation, reviews, all those types of activities that happen at a group level with different with a hierarchy among the group. Those should be those activities should excel at a version control and collaboration solution. It should also allow for secure development. So again, pre-compile activities that bring security to the source code. Those would be secret scanning, license scanning, static scanning, etc. And it should also be able to allow the description of a software or a systems architecture, so via diagrams and so on, and the ability to define that or to trickle down into a reality. So any software-defined element of that architecture should be able to be hosted in a repo, in a package registry, wherever it may apply.